How to log into Bank of West account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Bank of West account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, search for Bank of West account login on your web browser. Then you'll find this website, that is bnkwest.com. You'll see Bank of West home, tap on that. After you tap on that link, it will prompt you to this website. It can take some time to load, so just wait for a bit, and this is what it should look like. Now, if you want to log in, if it's your personal account, make sure that you've chosen the personal, or if it's a business, tap on business. I'll just go to the personal one and then enter out the username and then finally the password. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. And after that, you're good to go. That's how you log in into Bank of West account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.